Think affordable family camping can't feel high-end? Think again. This is the 2026 Forest River Ozark 26KBX, and it's packed with features you don't usually find at this price point. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the bright open layout. The kitchen gives you plenty of counter space for meal prep, generous cabinet storage, and a layout that keeps everything within easy reach. One of the coolest details is this unique burner cover that doesn't just protect your cooktop, it creates even more usable countertop space when you're not cooking, making the kitchen feel even larger. Right beside it, you'll find a full pantry, giving you room to pack groceries for a weekend getaway or extended camping trips without sacrificing storage. Across from the living room seating is a cozy fireplace and entertainment center that really makes this camper feel like home. But here's where the Ozark gets clever. The TV is mounted on a lift system, so it can slide up when it's movie night or tuck completely away when you want a cleaner look and extra countertop space. Near the entry door, you'll find additional storage to keep shoes, bags, and camping essentials. The bar stools provide extra seating without taking up unnecessary space, giving everyone a comfortable place to gather for meals, games, and morning coffee. The private bedroom is separated with a sliding door, creating a true retreat at the end of the day. Inside, you'll find a comfortable king bed and plenty of wardrobe and overhead storage to keep everything organized throughout your trip. Up front is the spacious bunkhouse, perfect for kids or guests. With storage underneath the bunks, you'll have plenty of room for camping gear, outdoor toys, or extra luggage. And to wrap it all up, the bathroom offers everything you need with a roomy shower, modern finishes, and smart storage to make getting ready on the road easy. If you're looking for a bunkhouse camper that combines family-friendly features, hidden innovations, and incredible value, the Forest River Ozark deserves a spot at the top of your list. Stop by Ketelsen RV and see it for yourself today.